Oh my God. Look at the shape of my pumpkin. Damn. Right. Hello, Abby. How are we today? Right, while I've got everybody on here, while I've got everybody there, I want everybody to check out Oh You Moose. Okay? She makes beautiful glasses. I'd like to see as many of you as possible following Oh You Moose. Oh You Moose, put a comment in there so you know who you are, and I'll get me 10 bands ready for the 100k.
Oh You Moose, pin your comment.
She's got some amazing stock in. You'll love it. Here we go, people. 10 bands. Oh You Moose, if you pinned your comment.
Dad, make me mod and I'll pin it.
I cannot. Oh God.
I'm just asking.
Oh God. Go on, Derek. Yes. Thank you for the heart, me Abby. Legend. Hey, with your little shooting starry thingy majobby. I like that. Thank you very much. Thank you for all the gifts and the follows, people. What we're going to do, we'll do...
What's that?
Apparently that's what we're going to do.
I'm so
Hey! This is the best helmet I've had yet. Legend! Right, people. Right, people. Let me show you what's coming next, shall I? Okay? Because I know that you're excited. I know that you want to see what's happening.